I wanted to show you this. It's a quick job I'm doing today. It's a fedge. Basically, it's a living fence. I put a load of these willow stakes in. They go down about 80 centimetres or something. I've got a few live willows in here that I'll lay like I'm laying a hedge. And then here's some I did earlier. That's all a mixture of dead hazel, living willow and living stakes. And then yeah, along this section where it's really bare, I'm going to weave in loads of living willow rods, and hopefully it should all sprout and create a nice hedge fence screen. So I just thought I'd show you what I'm using. I've got a pile of goat willow there, some bits of dead hazel, rowan, alder, and then this stuff is crack willow. It's really good for weaving in and out. It's long straight bits that have been coppiced. Not sure why it's called crack willow if you look at this. See, it just snaps off. One more. And then it's really easy to plant. So I'll be using the brash to weave in and out of these living posts, and then in between that I'll put some of this as sort of binders, but they're pushed into the ground quite a long way so they regrow. There we go, I've got all the brash into it. That's sort of the initial hedge. I've got other bits of coppicing and stuff to do, so while I'm doing that I might pull out more willow stakes and add them into it. And I've got tree planting to do down here, so I will add loads of trees along the bottom of it. But yeah, there's an initial screen there. I just made this bird table. It only took a second. This branch was going to be firewood, but I saved it because it stands up, and I had this ring lying around, so I did that to it.